welcome! Today we are going to be learning and looking at how to write hooks. Everyone always says you only have one chance to make a great first impression, and your writing is the same way. Your introduction paragraph is a great opportunity to make that first impression, and if it doesn't capture the reader's attention, chances are they won't be motivated to continue reading. Just think about it. Have you ever sat down to watch a movie and about 10 minutes in, you realized it just wasn't catching your attention? Chances are you would probably exit the movie theater. And in writing, it is the same way. Luckily, there are some tactics that you can use to captivate your reader from the start of your writing. Oftentimes, these are called hooks or attention-getting openings, and there are several different ways to achieve this. Your first option is to ask an intriguing question. Keyword here is intriguing. You do not want to ask the reader if they're interested in learning about something or if they want to hear a story from you. A good example of an intriguing question would be, how does a dinosaur say goodnight when Papa comes in to turn off the light? Notice that this question is intriguing and makes me, the reader, want to read more of your essay. Another option is action. You can set up the action for the entire story in just a few sentences. Let's look first at a bad example of action. My neighbor's pet started chasing me. In my head, I can kind of envision what that would look like, but a better example of an action lead would be, run! Maggie shouted at me. Out of breath, I finally reached safety from the porky pig who had tried to lick me. That second example is definitely more vivid. I almost want to push myself into the story and continue reading. You can also choose to start off your essay with dialogue. As we know, dialogue is just a conversation between two characters. Let's look at an example of how to begin an essay with dialogue. My dad sent me a present, Miguel told everyone at school. I'm going with my grandmother to the train station to pick it up. And finally, you can choose to open up your essay using a snapshot lead. A snapshot lead is just creating a picture of the setting or a character in the reader's mind. Let's look at a good example of a snapshot lead. Rancher Hicks lived out west. As far as the eye could see, there was nothing, not even a roaming buffalo. So nothing much ever happened. So your goal with a snapshot lead is to create a picture, which I have here, that basically tells us what you would see with just words. As you can see, there are many options you have when using hooks to open up your essay. Whatever option you choose, just make sure it grabs your reader's attention so they're motivated to read the entirety of your essay. Thanks for watching. Bye.